मॉर्निंग सर। गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
नहीं करी गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
गुड मॉर्निंग सर। मैंने 2 बार बोला जी गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
सब ठीक है। अच्छा अल्लाह साहब फोटो भेजना है। ठीक है।
अजीत मैम कंप्लीट
ऐसे ऊर्जा में स्मार्ट हो जाना। स्मार्ट तो बोलो ओए नीचे देख रहा डर करके चल जाओ।
हाँ जी।
अभी इधर आ जाओ। मैं इधर आगे वो करता हूँ इसको। ऐसे नहीं तो
अरे बेटा आपसे इधर ही टर्न बैक हो जाएंगे। सेम पोजीशन जैसे थे वैसे आ जाओ।
फोटो रेडी है।
हाँ जी हाँ जी।
मुझे फिलहाल मिल जाएगी सभी कौन सी खाऊँ? ये ठीक है या ये ठीक है? मुझे ठीक है भाई। तो ये ना ये कौन प्रदेश को मूर्त करी ये बच्ची है मुझे कुछ नहीं बड़ा बड़ा माना नहीं है। हेलो फोटो जी सर आ जाओ। आ रहा हूँ। सामने देखो सर तुम मेरी आंखों में मत दो। थैंक यू। अभी चलो। भागो नहीं मैं तुम्हारे पीछे पीछे आऊँगा।
दो साइड इधर मुझे दो इधर आ जा एक इधर इधर
from Senegal. Now the senior group of Bose House, we have Jivika from 9th class, Sweetla from 9th class, Pradeep from plus 1 science, and Jasbeen from plus 1 arts. Now for Patel House, we have Bhavdi from 8th class, Divyanjali from 8th class, Shekhar from 8th class, Silas from 8th class, and for senior we have Angel from plus 1 science, Janshan from plus 1 science, Vibhuti from 9th class, Kalika from 9th class. And for Raman House, we have Manjot from 7th class, Ukashna from 8th, Bhavan from 8th class, Navneet from 8th class. And for the senior group, we have Sandy from plus 1 arts, Angad from 9th class, Jeevan Jo from plus 1 science, and Harshpreet from plus 1 science. Now for last Shivaji House, we have Yuvika from 8th class, Harsh from 8th class, Mehak from 8th class, Naveen from 7th class. And for seniors, we have Sambhav from 9th class, Damanpreet from plus 1 commerce, Simran from plus 1 science, and Shubham from plus 2 arts. So I wish you best of luck to all the competitors for this science quiz. And now I would request our principal sir to please start our today's competition.
बोस, पटेल, रमन एंड शिवाजी। जब एक राउंड पूरा हो जाएगा उसके बाद हम अगले राउंड में बढ़ेंगे। आई हैव ऑलरेडी discussed with all the students. Audience, kindly be careful and see the every questions. After every round we will also display the marks. Okay? जो आप लोगों को किसी भी तरह कंफ्यूजन नहीं रहे, आप लोग की जो हाउस इंचार्जेस हैं और टीचर्स हैं, आप भी अपना कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं। Now, yes, can I start, sir? Yes, ma'am. Can I start? Now, question goes out. The general science now start. Question first. Yes. What type of nutrition do green plant have? Heterotrophic nutrition, parasitic nutrition, and heterotrophic nutrition and autotrophic nutrition.
Autotrophic nutrition.
Yes, correct answer. Question 2. The change of state from gas to liquid is called evaporation, condensation, freezing, and then sublimation.
Condensation.
Correct? Final? Yes, correct. अगर आप लोग को कंफ्यूजन हो देन आप डिस्कस पूरा करिए। ओके, जल्दीबाजी में जवाब नहीं देना। नेक्स्ट थर्ड क्वेश्चन, द टाइम टेकन टू कंप्लीट द वन ऑसिलेशन इज कॉल्ड ए फ्रीक्वेंसी, बी एम्पलीट्यूड, सी वेलोसिटी, डी टाइम पीरियड।
Time period.
Question 4. The colored part of the eye is called retina, cornea, pupil, and iris.
Iris.
Final? Yes, final. Last question of this round. Kindly don't disturb. Which of the following is virus? Influenza, tuberculosis, typhoid, and cholera. 15 seconds left. In the image, freezing and condensation, B. Melting and evaporation. C. Boiling and sublimation. D. Condensation and melting.
Option B, melting and evaporation.
D. Last question. Which property of water makes ice float on it? A. Low density of ice. B. High viscosity. C. High temperature. D. Surface tension. 10 seconds left.
Option A,
Low
low density.
density of ice. Your answer is A. Yes, correct. Now, student of Patel House, kindly get ready for this round. Teachers, kindly maintain discipline. ठीक है, रमन हाउस स्टूडेंट्स kindly ready. रमन हाउस. Question first. Identify the process shown in the image. A. Respiration. B. Transpiration. C. Photosynthesis. D. Germination.
Option C, photosynthesis.
Question 2. Identify the instruments shown in the image. Microscope, telescope, periscope and spectrometry.
Option B, telescope.
Correct. Question 3. Identify the instruments shown in the image. Photosynthesis, germination, metamorphosis, D. Respiration.
Option C,
Correct. What phenomenon of light is shown in the image? Reflection, dispersion and diffraction.
option C,
Last question. Which process is shown? Photosynthesis, osmosis, transpiration and respiration.
again option C.
Transpiration. Yes, question sir, kindly tell me. All students kindly maintain discipline, otherwise I will deduct the minus.
Acid.
Question 3. ध्यान से देखिए क्या क्वेश्चन. The organ can produce the insulin. Answer is pancreas. देखिए आपने कुछ सिलेबस किया था, ठीक है, यही आपको डिफरेंट बनाएंगे अगर आपके पास ऑप्शन नहीं हो. जो डीपली पढ़ के आया है वो बच्चा वो ऑप्शन पर दिया ऑटोमेटिक यही आपको आगे पूछेगा. क्वेश्चन 4. What is the total distance divided by total time called?
Average speed.
Average. The last question. However, diamond oil harvest speed. Patel House is kindly actually for this round, very important round. अब आपके पास ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं बचा है। इसके बाद इस राउंड में आप आंसर ढंग से दीजिए, इसके बाद ऑडियंस आप लोगों को हेल्प कर सकती है। ऑडियंस राउंड। Get ready, Patel House system, get ready. Now start. If a car covers 650 km into hour, what is its speed?
30 किलोमीटर।
Question 2. Which mirror always forms a smaller image?
Convex।
Convex mirror. Question 3. From where do plant absorb water and minerals?
From soil।
Question 4. Which machine is used for both harvesting and cutting? कौन सी मशीन?
Combine harvester।
Last question. Then we have the other question. Okay, procedure means process and force are चाहिए। चेंज करेंगे क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट क्वेश्चन जो एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन हमारे पास बने हैं उनसे ये क्वेश्चन नाउ रमन हाउस में चाबी दे देगी बच्चों आप लोग डिसिप्लिन मेंटेन रखिए अगर आवाज आई सबने मुझे बता देना -5 स्कोर -5 कर देना तुम अपने हाउस पर आराम कर लो Question 2. What is the speed of light in the air? Approx answer कीजिए conditionally. Speed of light.
3 into 10 power 8 meter per
मीटर पर
kilometer per hour.
गलत है आंसर 3 into 10 power 8 मीटर पर सही Question 3. Which pigment gives green color of leaves and help in the photosynthesis?
Chlorophene.
Question 4. Arctic is used as a substitute for which natural fiber? What are the important substances essential for the metabolic process? Right over, 0 marks. I want to put the correct answer.
Carbon dioxide.
Question 2. Name one national park in India.
Kaziranga National Park.
इसके एक से ज़्यादा आंसर काजीरंगा जिम कॉर्बेट गिर नेशनल पार्क नो इशू करेक्ट. Question 3. Which effect of current is used in a bulb? Question 4. Small process in leaves.
Stomata.
Stomata. What is the considered the body to be food?
Now the remaining portion of Patel House.
Yes. One extra question. We have the one question from the extra series from the Patel House. जो बच्चा हाथ खड़ा कर रहा है उनको माइक दे दीजिए सर. 10 सेकंड है. 7 सेकंड 6 सेकंड जल्दी आंसर आना चाहिए.
गलत नहीं बोलना.
ओवर. 0. Listen very carefully. अगर आवाज आई तो -5. Patel House audience, be ready. Which metal is at room temperature? Sodium, mercury, iron.
Mercury.
Patel House.
Repeated question.
आपका सही आंसर.
सही है जी, सही है. ओके.
Now Raman House. Name the heart responsible for the regulating the blood sugar level. Adrenaline, thyroxine, estrogen, insulin.
Option B.
शिवाजी सर, लास्ट शिवाजी हाउस. शिवाजी हाउस क्वेश्चन देखिए.
शिवाजी
What is the full form of DNA? DNA full form.
Deoxyribonucleic acid.
Now we will discuss the final result. convex and parabolic.
Option A, concave mirror.
Wrong. The correct answer is convex mirror. The last question. Which of the following is a non-renewable source of energy? Solar, wind, coal, tidal.
Sir, option C.
Correct. Patel House, so kindly get ready. Question first. What is the fluid connective tissue of the body? Muscles, cartilage, ligament, blood.
Sir, option E, blood.
Question 2. What is the basic structural and functional unit of the kidney? Alveoli, urine, nephron, glue, some atom cell electron, ionic bonding, metallic bonding, hydrogen bonding, covalent bonding.
Sir, option D, covalent bonding.
Correct. आपका ध्यान केवल स्क्रीन में होनी चाहिए अपनी. Question 4. The scattering of light is a beam passes through a column of fine suspension, making the light path visually known as reflection, Tyndall effect, dispersion.
Sir, option C, Tyndall effect.
Last question. The process of conversion of water into vapor is called condensation, sublimation, evaporation, distillation.
Sir, option C, evaporation.
Now, Raman also kindly get ready. Now start. Which part of the eye control light entry? Cornea, retina, lens, pupil.
Answer is D, pupil.
Sir, आप एक स्टॉप आई मोबाइल की लोगों को ऑन टाइम स्टॉप आपके टाइम में नोट करने का भी यहाँ पर रिकॉर्ड करना. ओके, स्टार्ट. Now start question 2. Which ion is red color of blood? Sodium, potassium, calcium, iron.
Option D, iron.
Correct. Question 3. पूनम मैम कहीं से आवाज है तुरंत बताइए. How many pairs of cranial nerves are there? 10, 11, 12, 14.
Option C, 12 pairs.
Correct. Question 4. Why does the sky appear blue to us? Due to the reflection of light, due to the scattering of light, due to the reflection of light, due to the dispersion of light.
Option B, due to scattering of light.
Correct. Last question. Which part of the cell is known the powerhouse of the cell? Nucleus, ribosome, mitochondria, Golgi body.
Answer C, mitochondria.
Shivaji House cannot be created or destroyed. A. Law of motion, law of gravitation, law of the conservation of mass, law of inertia.
Option C, law of conservation of mass.
Question 2. Which organ produce the bile juice? Pancreas, liver, gallbladder, stomach.
Option D, liver.
Question 3. Which branch of biology deals with classification? Anatomy, physiology, taxonomy, morphology.
Option C, taxonomy.
Taxonomy. Question 4. What is the electric power? Product of current and resistance, energy stored in the circuit, rate of electric energy consumption, force exerted by current.
Option C.
Option C, power. B is equal to the group on D. Very good. Last question. The blood vessel that carries blood from the heart to the body is vein, artery, capillary, vena. Blood cell vein.
Option B. Artery.
Now first round completed. Now we will display the mark. Wait only for 1 minute. Start. A ray of light enters a glass slab at an angle. What phenomenon is shown in this image? Reflection, dispersion, spectrum. Eight seconds left.
B. Refraction.
Correct. Question 2. Identify the chamber that pumps oxygenated blood to the body. Right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium.
Option B. Left atrium.
Answer C is right. Wrong. Question 3. Identify the long and light part of neuron and its role. Dendrite, cell body, axon, and synapse.
C. Axon.
Correct. बेटा बच्चा जब सही आंसर देता तो तालियां भी बजानी है, एप्रिशिएट करके बच्चों को। Question 4. Identify the part of control the amount of light entering the eye. Lens, cornea, iris, retina. लाइट की एंट्री को कौन कंट्रोल करता है? आई।
Iris.
Yes, iris is the correct answer. Identify the part of flower that produce the pollen, stigma, style, anther, and ovary.
Stigma.
This answer is wrong. Anther is the correct answer. रमन हाउस, आप लोग ये क्वेश्चन which element produce a green film? Sodium, potassium, calcium, copper.
Option D. Copper.
Copper is the correct answer. Question 2. The lens diagram shows the parallel rays of light converging at a point. The lens shown is the concave, convex, plane, cylindrical lens. Five seconds left. 4, 3.
Convex lens.
देखो आप लोगों को ध्यान अपनी स्क्रीन पे रखना इधर उधर नहीं, ठीक है? टाइम बहुत तेजी से निकलता है, 30 सेकंड तक आपको चलना। A rocket with a fire and gases are pushed downward. Which law explains this? Newton's first law, Newton's second law, Newton's third law, law of the conservation of momentum.
Newton first law.
The answer is Newton's law. Next question. 2 mirrors are inclined at 60 degrees with an object placed between them. How many images will be formed? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Option B 2.
The correct answer is there will be 3 images. Last question. In the given model of the atom, the arrow is pointing toward which subatomic particles? Proton, neutron, electron, nucleus.
C electrons.
Yes, correct answer. Now Patel House, is your round. Ready, Patel House, get ready? Are you ready? ऑडियंस से आवाज नहीं आ रही तो यहाँ बैठे हैं बच्चे नो स्टार्ट लुक एट द मीन ब्लू आइडेंटिफाई द लेबोरेटरी apparatus and the inheritance of train cell respiration protein digestion.
Option B.
Question 2. What does it indicate? Boiling point of water, room temperature, normal temperature, freezing point of water.
Option C.
Yes, correct answer. Question 3. Which process is initiated? Respiration, transpiration, photosynthesis, osmosis.
Option C photosynthesis.
जा रही है गैसेस देख तो सही.
Fourth question. What is this chart called? Genome, carotene, genome, and chromatin map.
Option C.
whatever
The
nucleus.
answer is wrong. Last question. What does it measure? Wind pressure, wind direction, wind speed, humidity.
Option B.
B.
Yes, sir.
Correct. We will display the marks of this round. This round. There is the result of this round is Bose out 6, Patel 8, Raman 6, Shivaji 6. अब मेन MC डेल्टा के
Sir, option C.
just correct answer. Last question. In an electric circuit, the device can control the flow of current. Resistor, battery, switch, conductor. Current के flow को जो control करती है, कौन सी device?
मैं तो देख रहे हैं वो देख रहे हैं.
Sir, option C.
Yes, correct answer.
तुम अपने फोकस करो.
Yes, Patel House. Get ready, Patel House. Question first. What is the term of the sum of protons and neutrons in atom's nucleus? Atomic number, balancing, isotope number, and mass number.
Sir, atomic number.
Atomic number. The correct answer is mass number. Question 2. In which ratio do hydrogen and oxygen combine to mass of a water molecule? 1:8, 2:1, 8:1, 4:2.
1:8.
Yes, correct. Name the enzyme found in salvia, pepsin, trypsin, celery, and the lipase.
Option C.
Just correct. Question 4. Which biomolecule is called biological carbohydrate, lipid, vitamin, enzyme?
Enzyme.
Yes, correct. Question 5. Which of the following is chemical change? Melting of ice, tearing of paper, rusting of iron, breaking of glass.
Option C.
Now join Raman house. Now start Raman house. Question 1. The balance of nitrogen atom is 1, 2, 3, 4.
Sir, 2.
The correct answer is 3. Which disease involves fluid in the lungs? Asthma, bronchitis, tuberculosis, pneumonia.
Option D. Pneumonia.
Correct answer. Question 3. Which hormone is secreted during the stress? Insulin, thyroxine, cortisol, and adrenaline.
Option C. Cortisol.
What is the 1 horsepower equal to? 1 kilowatt, 746 watt, 100 watts, and 1000 watt.
Option B. 746 watt.
Last question. Which organ of the human body regulates the amount of sugar in the blood? Liver, pancreas, kidney, heart.
Option B. Pancreas.
Pancreas. Shivaji house. After this, start buzzer round. जिसमें आपको ऑप्शन नहीं मिलेंगे. Now start the Shivaji house. Father very given and right turn was very bold.
Sir, option A. Bentley.
Question 2. Element with different atomic number but the same mass number are known as isotope, isomer,